Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going back in our 1971 Ford Gran Torino. Of course you remember the famous movie Gran Torino, probably Clint Eastwood driving his 72 Gran Torino. What a wonderful movie and what a wonderful car too, if I do say so myself. Of course the one we have here is just as pretty, featuring a maroon exterior. As you can see, it has been very well done, having the Mustang mag wheels with the BF Goodrich tires on it. Just the way even the stripe goes down the side with the GT on it. Very well done. The lines on the body look very good. We got both mirrors, thank God, better than one mirror on the driver's side where you couldn't even see out of. But anyway, moving on to the inside, as you can see, it is an automatic on the floor, B&M aftermarket shifter. We do have the old school style Mustang steering wheel, our old school cluster, as you can see, an added on auto gauge tachometer, but of course every day you kind of actually need one nowadays. We have some aftermarket gauges on the lower part of the dash. Above it you can see is a later model Kenwood audio sound system. Other than that, as you can see, we have our basic twin vinyl bucket seats along with the style of the back seat. Two speakers on the rear deck to have a better sound of your Kenwood audio system. Honestly, the one way I'd do to upgrade this car is decide to add on a retro sound radio, but of course that is personal opinion versus what the customer would actually like. Other than that, as you do see, we also have some nice shoulder belts for you to add on to modern safety. But anyway, as we move underneath the hood, featuring a very nice motor, the 429 V8 engine. As you can see by its impression, it is very well done, having all its chrome features, the little logo on the air cleaner, and more importantly, the horsepower. As you can see right now, I'm going a little fast on this road right here, but of course, thanks to the 9-inch rear end and the big motor on underneath the hood, this is definitely a car that can handle the actual street, unlike the modern cars of today where they need the computers to drive for them instead of manpower or woman power by themselves. Other than that, it is a clean little car, just like all of our cars here at Skyway Classics. If you'd like to see more, please visit our YouTube channel, our Instagram channel. Of course, you know the YouTube channel is more because you see more information here, better information. But now we are just going to get it up on the lift, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.